Cards for U.S. citizens, adults. What documents do you need to get an original Social Security card? Show us documents proving your U.S. citizenship, age, identity. What documents do you need to get a replacement Social Security card? Show us documents proving your identity. You must also show us documents proving your age and U.S. citizenship, if they are not already in our records. All documents you submit must be originals or copies certified by the agency that issued them. We cannot accept photocopies or notarized copies. To prove your U.S. citizenship, you need to show documentation such as U.S. birth certificate, U.S. consular report of birth, U.S. passport, certificate of naturalization, certificate of citizenship. To prove your age, you need to show us your birth certificate. If a birth certificate does not exist, we may be able to accept documentation such as U.S. passport, U.S. hospital record of your birth established before age 5, religious record made before the age of 5 showing your date of birth. To prove your identity, you need to show an unexpired document that shows your name, identifying information, and preferably a photograph, such as a driver's license, state-issued non-driver ID card, U.S. passport. If you do not have one of the primary documents to prove your identity, we will ask to see other current documents, such as employee ID card, school ID card, U.S. military ID card, doctor, clinic, or hospital record, health insurance card, not a Medicare card. For an original card, you must prove a Social Security number was never assigned to you. If you lived outside the United States for an extended period, you need a current or previous passport, school and/or employment records, or any other record that would show long-term residence outside the United States. If you have lived in the United States, we may ask you for information about the schools you attended, or to provide copies of tax records that would show you were never assigned a Social Security number. Start your application online while you're waiting. www.ssa.gov/SSN card-app.